Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE Blade A34, and today I'll show you how we can insert SIM card and SD card into this phone. So to get started, you'll want to grab a SIM eject tool similar to this one, which will come provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could also use a paperclip, straight on one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, which is located on the top left side of the phone, right here where the pin is holding right now, and you want to push it in, and you can see that the tray pops out enough for you to be able to pull it out. On the tray you have space for 2 dedicated SIM cards and 1 dedicated SD card. So we're going to place our cards on the tray, there we go, and from there insert it back into the device. Once you do so, these cards should start working right away, so I'm going to quickly confirm my SIM card pin, which will unlock it, and SD card should be working as well. Let's see if we have some kind of notification, and there we go. So you can see both of the cards are working. So with that being said, hope you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.